This is how to use the Typhoon Scope Storage and Transport System. As soon as the endoscope is taken from the washer disinfector, it is dried using the Typhoon, and the Typhoon will dry all of the internal channels. Any water droplets are removed from the outside of the endoscope. Now the endoscope is placed into the Typhoon bag. We then seal the Typhoon bag by simply pulling back the silver strip. Press that down and we now have an airtight seal. We then introduce the ozone, and the ozone will keep the endoscope bacteriostatic for up to 31 days. The endoscope can then be stored or transported down to the endoscopy procedure room. When it gets to the endoscopy procedure room, they will need to open the bag, and they know the scope is safe because if you see silver, the scope is safe. So quite easy to remember, if you see silver, the scope is safe. We then unzip the bag using the tool, and then the endoscope is removed and used. Once the endoscope has been used, the endoscope is then replaced back into the Typhoon bag itself, and then what we do to send it back, to make sure it's airtight to send back, we remove the second silver strip, the top silver strip, as so, fold that over and seal. Now we know the endoscope is not safe to use because there is no silver left on the bag. Thank you.